will solve an important problem, that is sec theta plus tan theta is equal to k given. Finally, we have to find out the values of sec theta, tan theta and sin theta. First, take given sec theta plus tan theta is equals to k, which is given. Here we have an identity. It depends upon sec and tan is that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. We know that already, which is derived, we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Here now, which is in the form of a square minus b square, use a square minus b square formula, is that a plus b into a minus b, that is sec theta plus tan theta sec theta minus tan theta. Here used a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b formula. Right hand side already we have 1, write that as it is. Now here already given that sec theta plus tan theta is k. Instead of sec theta plus tan theta, we may substitute k. Write that k into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Now write this k on right hand side. You will get sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by k. Suppose this as second equation. Now add first equation and second equation. 1 plus 2 means adding first equation and second equation. First equation is sec theta plus tan theta is equals to k, and second equation is that sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by k. Here plus tan theta minus tan theta getting cancelled. Sec theta plus sec theta, 2 sec theta. Here k plus 1 by k. K plus 1 by k. Here 2 sec theta is equals to, LCM is k. K into k, k square plus 1. Set this 2 to right side. You will get sec theta is equals to k square plus 1 by 2 into k, 2k. Suppose this is the value of sec theta that is asked, we found. Suppose this as third equation. Here added, we got sec theta. Now subtract second equation from first equation. Means first equation minus second equation. First equation is that sec theta plus tan theta is equals to k. Second equation is that sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by k. Here we are subtracting, means change the signs. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. Here plus sec theta minus sec theta getting cancelled. 1 tan theta plus 1 tan theta, 2 tan theta. Here k minus 1 by k. Here 2 tan theta is equals to, here LCM is k, k into k, k square minus 1. Now from this, right, send this 2 to right hand side, it divides, then you will get tan theta is equals to k square minus 1 by 2 into k, 2k. Here finally we got tan theta, means we got tan theta. Suppose this as fourth equation. After getting third equation and fourth equation, now evaluate fourth equation by third equation. Left hand sides of fourth equation and third equation are tan theta by third equation is sec theta. Now right hand sides of fourth equation and third equation. Right hand side of fourth equation is k square minus 1 by 2k. Right hand side of third equation is k square plus 1 by 2k. Here 2k getting cancelled. You will get k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here tan theta we may write sin theta by cos theta. Sec theta means we may write 1 by cos theta. Here cos theta getting cancelled. You will get sin theta by 1 sin theta. Sin theta is equals to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This is the value of k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 of sin theta. Finally, after giving sec theta plus tan theta as k, finally we proved sec theta value and derived tan theta value and sin theta value.